In every corner of our community, the pulse of everyday life moves in harmony with the silent yet profound dance of scientific discovery, hidden beyond the reach of our immediate senses. This silent narrative places science in the shadows, seemingly disconnected and accumulating dust on the shelves of disinterest. And yet, within this backdrop, a spark of curiosity rests, untapped and brimming with potential. Imagine a hero emerging, not from the realms of myth or legend, but armed with knowledge and outreach, ready to bridge the gaping divide between science and the everyday. Enter the Science Outreach Program, a beacon of hope crafted to make the unseen visible and the abstract tangible. Its mission, to integrate science into the very fabric of our community, redefining the journey of discovery. It confronts the misconceptions head-on and kindles the spark of curiosity that has always been waiting to ignite, transforming indifference into a palpable enthusiasm for knowledge that grips every segment of society. As we venture forth, bear witness to how educational outreach morphs indifference into discovery, opening eyes and hearts to the wonder of learning. Our adventure further unfolds, showcasing the Science Outreach Program's tempests and triumphs, a guiding light in a community previously veiled by scientific apathy. Despite the hurdles, including skepticism and logistical challenges, our program steadfastly persevered, fueled by a steadfast belief in the alchemical power of knowledge. A moment of breakthrough illuminated the path, a milestone not solely of scientific insight but of a profound awakening within the community. This pivotal experience, curated by our outreach efforts, sparked an eager curiosity and wide-eyed wonder, as if unveiling the universe's majesty in a captivating display of cosmic dance. The transformation was palpable, indifferent gazes turned upward in awe, as the community, young and old, embarked on a journey of knowledge and passion. This narrative, a testament to resilience and awakening, hints at not an end, but the advent of a new era where science continues to enrich our societal tapestry, bringing depth, diversity, and an unending thirst for understanding. Our tale doesn't conclude, it breathes new life into the endless journey of discovery and enlightenment. As we approach the zenith of our narrative journey, a new era dawns, marked by a profound appreciation for science woven into the fabric of everyday life. Once distant, scientific inquiry now stands as a cherished pillar in our ongoing quest for knowledge, its essence enriching every aspect of community life. Through the outreach program's relentless dedication, science has been transformed into a beacon of curiosity, influencing lives in countless ways. From the youngest dreamers captivated by the stars to adults finding solace in scientific reasoning, the impact is undeniable. The testimonials of those touched echo with vitality, illustrating a journey characterized by both challenge and triumph. This transformation underscores science's role not merely as a subject but as a philosophy of life, inviting us to embrace curiosity. As we reflect on this odyssey, let's march forward with the torch of inquiry held high, ensuring the flame of science continues to inspire, guide, and remind us of the boundless wonder we share. In this, we find not an end, but a promise of infinite new beginnings and discoveries.